May I ask you this question? Do you know how to rig biddings?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Do you think that this is the time that you should learn? The biblical principle is prevent evil, do good, pero if you're going to be spiritual, may isa pa, align with what God wants. So if you apply it to civil government, it's not enough that we prevent corruption, di ba? And do good. We have to align the priorities kung anong priority ng administration. Kasi kayong binoto eh. Di ba? Before the election, pag sinabi ng isa, peace and order in priority, sabihin ng isa, priority is the economy, sabihin ng isa, I'm talking priorities kasi lahat naman yan importante. So, I'll start that question, I'll start the questions based on that, no? Do you agree, Secretary Vince, that medyo twofold nga yung inyong nation building, di ba? One is the actual building, di ba? The roads, the bridges, the buildings, schools, di ba? And the other one is cleaning up the department.
Tama po. Yun ang dalawang kabilin-biginan po ng Pangulo nung bago po ako umupo bilang DPWH Secretary.
And the second one, which is cleaning up the department, is given to any agency, but usually not too much emphasis because usually we assume that there is much more good. Diba? So, kung harap ko ang BIR ngayon, I would assume there are some bad eggs, but I would assume na, or if there's a systemic problem with BIR, hindi ko naman i-assume na lahat, i-fire lahat ng commissioners or deputy commissioners, ganun din kung custom, etc. But it so happened because of the flood control ghost scandal, kasi hindi, as you said, Sec Vince, I think as far as the first Department of Public Works around the world ay may corruption na, di ba? The first public works was the Garden of Eden na kinurap nung snake at ni Adam at saka ni Eve by eating the fruit. So, then it's in the DNA, no? So, the point is, in fixing the problem of corruption, you need a new team, which you have. You have to see what's happening sa department, what you can change. All the senators here naman today contributed, di ba? Chairman has been contributing not only in this committee, in the Blue Ribbon Committee. Having said that, hindi pwedeng hindi dual yung priority mo. Meaning, if yung paghahabol sa lahat ng corrupt at yung pagbabago ng sistema, mahihinto naman yung public works, we lose more. Do you agree with that?
Agree po,
Okay.
Mr. Chairman.
So on that point, may I ask you this question? Do you know how to rig biddings?
No, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Do you think that this is the time that you should learn?
We institute the necessary reforms?
Yes. So thank you for getting it. Kasi I asked exactly the same question kay Secretary Bunoan. Halatang nagtitinginan sila ng mga USEC ng hindi nagtitinginan, hindi naman mukhang guilty to be fair, pero parang na-shock sa question ko tapos parang ayaw sagutin. But I told him this, in 1997 or 98, kaharap ko isang ministro. And I was shocked what he said, kasi ministro nga so religious group, head ng malaking church, no? At least in our district. At sinabi niya sa akin, Alan, susuportahan ka namin as congressman, pero ang tanong ko sa inyo, marunong ka ba mandaya? And of course, I was shocked. Bakit mo tatanungin ko marunong ako mandaya? Kaya mo nga ako sinusuportahan. I'm bringing in, kasi endemic yung dayaan sa election noon, pati sa Taguig. And sinabi niya sa akin, kasi ayaw kong masayang yung boto namin sa iyo kung ikaw ay dadayain. Diba? So I ask you that question because so much people trust and put their trust in you and the DPWH and in your mission. So if you don't know how to rig the biddings or how it's done, I'm not asking you to rig the bid. Very, very clear yan, ha? Hindi ko sinasabing i-manipulate, i-rig, dayain, kurakutin, whatever, yung pondo ng DPWH, yung bidding. Ang sinasabi ko lang, pare-pareho tayo dito. Kung hindi namin alam paano patakbo, for example, no? Kung ako ay bagong senador at hindi ko alam kung paano patakbuhin ang office ko, marami akong staff na tatawag ko saan-saan ahensya at hihingi ng special favor. Diba? So that's one thing senators or congressmen have to learn right away. How to make sure that in fighting monsters, they do not become the monsters at the same time. another lesson is we have to verify all of our information. 'Di ba? Kasi ang daling magsalita eh. We can ruin lives, we can rule teams, we can ano. So, my point, Mr. Secretary, is I hope you learn all the tricks of the trade because as you change the rules, mag-a-adapt din yung mga nangungurakot. We've seen that nung bata tayo, bago tayo doon, but we're not that young anymore. So, from one administration to the other,